already seen you.
You have already seen me. Okay, so I'm so happy somebody remembers that. So
Well,
Yeah,
and
2-3
Shakti
months back.
together.
yes, so if I can
Yeah.
just request, the view to change to gallery view so that I can just see everyone. They will see me, yes, eventually, but I just want to see everyone. If you can just move the view to gallery view, or maybe that's what I have on the gallery. Yes,
Shalini, you
now
will
I
have
can
to do
see.
it.
Yes,
Yes.
I did it. I did it. Yes. So how many of you remember me? Just put up your hand like little school children we used to do, right? Oh, wow. Okay. So I do have some hands. Chalo, good. Very nice. So if you remember me, then you must also remember what exactly I came and I spoke about. Something about what I spoke. Do you remember?
We see the book and tell.
Oh, you'll see the book and tell. So that means someone's writing notes also. Very good. That's a fantastic habit, right? And
Yes, yes,
है ना?
yes, yes.
And we've had that
Shalini
We'll
habit.
have
made
to
it
check
there.
the book.
Yes,
Yeah.
we used to have that habit right from school, and then somewhere we lost it along the way. And I'm so glad to see that you still retain that habit. That's such a good habit to have. So if you refer to your book, last time also I came to speak about counseling, and this time also I'm come to speak about counseling. God, this girl has nothing better to speak about now, does she? Right?
Oh,
है ना? So I'm going to start with, I heard a lot of nice music that was played in the beginning to relax you and to make you feel nice. Did you feel nice with the music?
yes.
Yes, it was good. Okay, fantastic. So all nice latest song, but I've got some like really old songs. Okay, maybe when these songs were made, I wasn't even born, but I have got the tunes of these songs, and I'm going to play like a very small fraction of that tune just to warm you up to me, and you have to sing the song. Are we ready?
Yes.
Give me a thumbs up. Okay. So if you remember the song, as soon as you speak, I get a red underline under your screen. So I'll know who is the first person who's singing the song. Okay. So I'm going to play the song. See if you can hear it. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Just loud, loud.
Hear it?
मुझे कोई मिल गया था
Wow.
चलते चलते
Very good. So the memory nerves are working pretty fine. Huh? The memory is like perfect because it's such an old song. Okay, next song. Okay, next one. I'm going to like use the speaker of this earphone. Next one. Okay, ready? Anyone? Yes, yes. Mr. Ravi Kala, you're there. You're there. What are the words?
Words, I don't remember.
Okay, I'll play it once more. Okay, see if you can gather.
चलते चले
No?
कोई गम के
Yes, yes, you're there. चले तेरे लिए ही साथ रंग के
चलते चले
Yes, सपने
सुरीले
अपने. Okay, third one, huh? Third one. Okay, third one.
आवारा हूँ आवारा
Yes,
हूँ
Rehana ma'am has got it. Avara Hoos. Okay, fantastic. So I'm very happy that
yes
you could gather that tunes. I didn't want to really make it very loud in your ears, so I just put it on speaker.
પણ એ
So,
સોંગ લખવાનું હોય તો તું બોલી શકે અને અનમ્યુટ કરી સમજી
okay, some instructions going there. Okay, fantastic. So today I'm here to speak about counseling with you. And I guess the reason why we decided to do this session again is because it is such an amazing therapy and you should avail of it. Okay. So in very simple few points, I'm going to give you an essence of what I have been doing in all of these years. So I have around 16 years of corporate experience, after which I decided to start up with my own business. I thought to myself, एक ही life है, चलो let's live it. Let's make all the mistakes in this one life, right? If we have to get bankrupt, just let's get bankrupt in this life. If we have to make a lot of money, let's just make a lot of money in this life, right? So that's when I decided to start my business, and I qualified as a counselor. And through my counseling career, I have met with such amazing people of all age groups that I have learned more than I have taught in those sessions. Okay. So what exactly is counseling? Does anybody know, have an idea of what counseling is?
Is trying to help the person think out, get insights into his own problems and help himself while you guide them.
Yes. So it is something that you do to help the person get an insight of his own problem. What else? Who else knows what counseling is? Anyone else?
या कुछ बच्चे छिपा देते हैं बाहर,
Seniors,
कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहते हैं, छिपा रहते हैं.
Yeah,
क्या
if
नाम
you
है
can't
आपका,
talk to someone else.
Which kind emotional support to people.
इमोशनल सपोर्ट टू पीपल. यस, कुछ बच्चे हैं जो अपनी बातें नहीं बताते हैं, वो छुपा
Yeah.
के रखते हैं, तो हम उनके दिमाग के अंदर घुस के वो बातें निकालते हैं, राइट? ओके.
हर एक स्कूल में काउंसलर होती है.
हर एक स्कूल में काउंसलर होती है, राइट? दैट्स ट्रू. सो यू गाइज हैव अ फेयर आइडिया ऑफ व्हाट काउंसलिंग इज. आपको मोटा मोटा पता है कि काउंसलिंग क्या है, राइट? सो हम इसको टॉक थेरेपी बोलते हैं. ओके, वी कॉल इट टॉक थेरेपी. बिना किसी को मेडिसिन दिए, बगैर बिना किसी को मेडिसिन दिए हम उसके स्ट्रेस को कैसे मैनेज कर सकते हैं, या वो जो अनईजीनेस फील करते हैं, उनको नींद नहीं आती है रात को, या वो एंजाइटी फील करते हैं, वी ट्राई एंड गेट रेमेडीज फॉर देम just by helping them understand a few things about what they are only telling us. Okay, we call it talk therapy. कभी आपने फ्रेंड से बात की है और बहुत मजा आया फ्रेंड से बात करके? कितने लोग फ्रेंड से रोज बात करते हैं अभी? How many of you speak to your friends every day?
Yeah, we talk.
Okay, how many of you all have your kids as your best friend? Your kid,
yeah,
one of your kid. Okay, मजा आता है अपने फ्रेंड
Yes,
से बात
yes.
करने में?
yeah.
Yes.
उनकी बातें सुनने में मजा आता है?
Yeah.
कितने लोग
We
gossip-
share.
अब सच बताओ, कितने लोग
share lot of
गॉसिप
things,
करते हैं?
yes.
कितने लोग गॉसिप करते हैं, बताओ?
थोड़ा हो तो होता ही है gossip.
थोड़ा वो तो होता ही है. अंकल, this I don't get the name. I think it's Mukul. Is putting both his hands up. Look. Okay, excellent. So it's good to be honest. Honesty is good. Sorry.
I'm here.
Okay. So it is. So it's good. Gossip हो, बातचीत हो, आप बताओ, वो उनकी सुनो. But वो बात करने में मजा आता है ना फ्रेंड्स के साथ. तो वो क्यों फ्रेंड्स के साथ बात करने में मजा आता है पता है? क्योंकि आपके फ्रेंड जो है, he listens to you, right? He or she listens to what you have to say.
Yes.
That's why you like to talk to that friend.
Yes.
Does any of you have that person in your life जो कभी कोई बात सुनता ही नहीं है? मतलब हम बातें करते जाते हैं.
Yes.
है?
Yes.
किसके, कौन ये है बोल रहा है because wife ऐसी है या husband ऐसा है? सच बताओ. हाँ?
Nobody say. Yeah.
Husband या wife बातें सुनते ही नहीं है, हाँ? है ना? Like my husband, he only listens to half. फिर बाकी का half is what he has to say to me. है ना? So that's why most of us have that one person who we like to speak with, because that person listens to us, right?
Can't hear so clearly.
You can't hear clearly.
Hannah auntie is quite clear. Why don't you just log off and log on? She's quite clear actually.
Yeah.
One
So she's clear but loudly. Something very.
Can
Okay.
you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yes. We can.
No.
No? Okay. Why don't you increase the volume of the phone maybe? I think she's logged off. Okay, so we will continue. So we call it talk therapy. Okay, a place where you go to meet a person who will listen to what you have to say, because listening is a very 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 difficult skill. अब सच बताओ कितने लोग बातें नहीं सुनते in this group? How many of you are stubborn people and don't listen to what is to be done, right things to be done? सच्ची बताओ.
Yes, in some way.
एक्सरसाइज करो. कितने लोग करते हैं रोज? करते हैं रोज. ओके, टेक योर मेडिकेशंस ऑन टाइम. कितने लोग लेते हैं? वेरी गुड. सो वी हैव अ गुड ऑडियंस हियर. ओके, 1 hour. 1 hour exercise.
medicine.
Acha. So I think she does 1 hour of exercise and then someone else takes medication. So it's very good if you're doing your routine every day. Okay. अगर आप बातें नहीं सुन रहे हो, आप exercise नहीं कर रहे हो, medication नहीं ले रहे हो, then that is naughtiness, right? हम बच्चों को मारते हैं फिर, है ना? वो नहीं करेंगे. मैं मेरी बेटी को मारती हूँ अगर वो मेरी बात नहीं सुनते हैं, है ना? So there are some people who don't listen. Now, if you had to go and to speak to such a person who does not listen, it becomes very difficult, right? You're not able to communicate properly. So a counselor is a person who listens to everything you're saying and also watches everything you're not saying. तो कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम बातें करते हैं लेकिन हमारी emotions कुछ और होती है. Happens like you're saying something but you're feeling like saying something else. It happens most of the time when you're angry, you know, you're controlling your anger and you're only saying a few lines but you're really angry inside. You want to scream but you're not able to shout and scream because the other person will feel hurt. So you end up saying only a few things, okay? And all that emotion gets built up inside. So your counselor is
Can I say something?
Yes,
Hello.
yes, Carol ma'am.
Please speak a little bit slower
Okay.
so we get the words. You know, don't speak too fast. Speak a little slower.
Slower. Okay, I got
Make
it.
it clear. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Just suggestion. It's
Yes,
just
yes, that's a good suggestion. So I'm happy to do that. So I'll speak a little slower. Okay.
You are listener.
Yes, yes. So a counselor is a person who will listen to what you are saying and also listen to what you are not saying, which means the counselor is listening to what you're feeling as well. Okay. And the counselor is listening to that without judging you. Okay, without judging you as to what kind of a person you are or what mistakes you have made or whether you are somebody who is your age, your family background, how rich you are, how poor you are. All of this does not matter to the counselor at all. Okay, so the counselor listens to what you are saying, what you're not saying, what you're feeling without any judgments. Okay, that's one thing that counseling does. What's the second thing that counseling does? Now, after you have said what you have to, then you need to be understood, right? Otherwise, it's just talking in the air, right? Happens sometimes that you tell your kids or the younger people that you're not supposed to do something like that, and they hear it and throw it out. Have you met people like that?
Yes, many times.
Yes,
Yes,
many
yes.
times. You're giving them an advice, but instead of taking that and applying it, they just listen to it and they forget about it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now a counselor is somebody who will listen to you and understand where you're coming from. Where has that idea come from? Has it come from your experience? Has it come from a mistake you've made? Has it come from a happy experience you've had? So a counselor will give you that kind of understanding. Okay, and when the person understands you, the person becomes your best friend. Yes or not?
Yes.
yes.
And then when the person becomes your best friend, what happens between the two people? What is built between the two people?
Yes.
Yes, what is this? What is this?
Bonding.
A bonding. Okay,
Bonding.
what else? What
Gel.
else? A gel, a rapport, a bonding. What else?
The friendship develops.
Who said trust? Who said trust?
Good friend.
Pride in the person.
Trust develops.
Yes, a trust develops, right? And when you meet somebody who you can trust, it's such an amazing feeling to have, no? Because in today's life, nobody can be trusted, hai na? It's very difficult to find somebody who you can trust 100%, which means whatever you talk does not go anywhere outside. Okay, whatever you talk does not get gossiped about. Okay, so a counselor is somebody who you can talk to, and that conversation only remains between you and the counselor. Isn't that so cool?
Yes.
That means you can talk about anything, any mistake you've made in life, you can bring it up and talk to the counselor about it. Okay, and the counselor, by our profession, by our education, we have learned that that secret or whatever you're sharing with the counselor remains only between you and the counselor. Okay, so that's what counseling gives you. It gives you somebody who will listen to you 100%, who will understand you 100%, and who you can trust, which means better than your best friend, isn't it? Right?
Yes. Yes.
Superb. So if suppose you decide, okay, chalo, I want to now see what counseling is about. So let me find a good counselor and talk with the counselor about maybe I'm not excited enough. Maybe I don't get good sleep. Yes, you want to say something? Zaini ma'am?
No, continue, Shanti.
Okay.
No, I'm just listening to you.
Okay, okay. So how should you approach a counselor now? When you are going for counseling, how should you be going for counseling? So now you tell me, जब आप friend को phone लगाते हो, okay, तो आप कैसे phone लगाते हो? What are the emotions you feel when you dial that number or when you meet your friend?
Yes, happiness.
Happy.
You feel happy, you feel like listening to them, you feel like sharing whatever.
Yes, so you feel happy, you feel like sharing with them,
Sharing.
you feel like listening to them, and it's not something that's told to you. करो आप friend से बात कर रहे हो, better tell everything, हाँ? ऐसे बोला है किसी ने? You feel it from inside, no? You feel like sharing with that person. When you call your kids, or when you call your best friend, or even your spouse, you feel like sharing some things, right? So you have to take that feeling and go even to a counselor. Because if someone pushes you or forces you to meet a counselor, it will never work. Okay, have you ever been in a relationship with your friend or with your partners or with your kids where you're forced, कुछ करने के लिए force किया है? Have you experienced that? You have, right? How does it feel? You feel choked, no? You feel choked. You feel as if there is a chain around your joints, and someone's pushing you to do something you don't want to do. Okay, so with that, you'll never be able to make the best use of counseling. So when you go to a counselor, you have to feel like wanting to share that, anything with the counselor. So that feeling is extremely important. Okay. Second, you have to go with an open mind. Okay. You're going to meet a best friend. Let me give you an example. Okay. How many of you have got kids? How many of you have kids? How many of you have kids?
All of us.
All of you have kids. Okay. So has it ever happened that when they were little boys and girls, when your kids were a little boy or a little girl, you were trying to teach them something, okay, and they were trying to teach you something back? Has it happened?
Yes.
Yes. You are trying to teach them something and they are trying to teach it back to you. Okay. Is that feeling good?
No.
No.
Yes.
Why is it not good?
Yes. Yes.
No, because
Yes.
Okay, how many of you say yes, that feeling is good?
Yes.
Okay. Why do you say yes?
We learn from them something.
You learn from
Because
them.
I find inner potential in the person, inner potential in the child.
Okay. So
It's a discovery.
yeah, so you guys say, those who said yes, say that they learn something, they discover something new. How many of you say no? How many of you say no? When I'm teaching something and someone says something back to me, it's not a nice feeling. It's okay not to like it. It's fine. How many of you don't like to be talked back at? Hey, you guys are very cool people, huh?
When we realize it, we come to know that we must learn something from the children.
Correct. So Shireen ma'am has given us, has summed up what I wanted to say to you. You have to go with an open mind. Okay, correct. You have to go with an open mind. And when your mind is open, anyone can teach you anything. It becomes so easy. You know, even if you stand in front of a tree, which doesn't say anything back to you, you still learn something. What do you learn from a tree? Can you tell me what you learn from a tree?
Calmness.
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 Sorry?
Giving shadow.
Giving a shade, shadow, yes. What else? Patience.
Remain strong.
To
Remain
remain strong.
strong and steady.
What else?
Without
Helpful.
expectation.
To remain calm. Anything else?
Without any expectation.
The tree stands without any expectations. Okay. Wow. See, you are not even standing in front of a tree and you've learned so much. It's amazing, isn't it? Right. So if your mind is open, you can learn something from an object that is not even speaking back to you. So then you can imagine how much more is there to learn from people who have had so many experiences, right? And when they share their ideas with you, there is so much more to learn from people who can talk and communicate, right? So when you go to a counselor, yes, you're going to a best friend, you're going to a friend, but at the end of the day, you're going there to get rid of your anxiety, right? You're going there to get rid of your stress. You're going there to sleep better in the night, right? So if you keep an open mind, the counselor will help you understand why certain things are happening to you. Okay, and you will be able to self-analyze, self-respect. आप खुद ही सोचने लगोगे कि अरे ये बात तो सही है, ये तो मुझे भी पता था, है ना? कभी-कभी हमको बातें पता होती है, पर वो कोई बोलेगा तो वो थोड़ा सा याद आता है कि ये बात पता थी, right? So the counselor will ring that bell a little. कौन सी बातें आपको पहले से पता थी? Sorry? Yes, Sarah ma'am.
You discover yourself.
You will rediscover yourself. Yes. And when you rediscover yourself, can you sit in the same place?
No, you cannot sit in the same place.
You cannot sit.
No.
No.
There's a learning
No.
happening.
You
are learning something.
Yes. And while that learning is
And
happening,
there's
what
a
starts
change
changing?
within.
Yes, there's a change within. And when there's a change
Within.
within, what happens outside?
Self-change.
Realization will come.
Sorry? Realization will come. That's still happening inside. When realization happens inside, what happens outside?
Yeah.
Be happy.
Happiness.
Happiness. You radiate happiness. ना सबको दिखता है कि कुछ तो change आया है इनमें, है ना? कुछ तो हुआ है. Vera ma'am is really happy today. कुछ तो हुआ है Vera ma'am के साथ, है ना? कौन है? मुकुल जी बहुत है ना वाइब्रेंट लग रहे हैं. कहीं तो कुछ नया हो रहा है ना, सबको दिखता है वो बात. It happens के Hana ma'am is sleeping better at night, so she's looking better in the morning, है ना?
Yes.
So all of these changes start happening and reflecting outside also. Okay, so that's what happens when you go for counseling with an open mind. And third thing I'd like to emphasize on is to go with a trust in the profession. जब आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो, जब आपको सर्दी खांसी होती है और आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो और डॉक्टर आपको बोलता है आपको फ्लू है, आप ये 1 2 3 टैबलेट लेना रोज, तो आप डॉक्टर को पूछते हो आर यू श्योर? आपको डॉक्टर किसने बनाया? मुझे सर्टिफिकेट दिखाओ. ये गोलियां चलेगी? नहीं चली तो क्या करेंगे? आप ऐसे पूछते हो?
No.
Why?
No, you trust him.
Why you don't trust him? You don't
You
even know
trust
him.
implicit trust.
Yes, it is just a trust.
Oh, no.
It is just a trust that is built, right? Doctor is a title that automatically develops trust. है ना? फिर वो आपको चाहे 10-12 टेस्ट कराने बोले, आप जाके वो टेस्ट करा लोगे. क्यों करा रहे हो पूछोगे, फिर भी करा लोगे, है ना? So that is a trust that is built
Yes.
out of the profession. Okay, the profession already tells you that he's a doctor, he knows what he is doing, let me trust him. In the same way, counselors have learned that there are certain things that they have to help you with, so you need to trust them. Okay.
That's true. When you're talking, when you're giving the examples, we trust you, know.
Yeah, you trust me. I'm so happy about that. Thank you so much. You know, it feels so nice to be trusted. You know,
Trust you.
yes, I'm so glad that you trust me. And sometimes we say, I feel so happy I can trust somebody, but I'll tell you, it feels so nice to be trusted by somebody also.
You learn also something.
Yes, you learn also something. So that's an open mind that makes you do it. Okay. So this is what I wanted to share with you today. And I thought that, you know, counseling is a beautiful therapy. It does not include any medication, no medication at all. A psychiatrist gives you medication when she sees that your health conditions are badly falling down, deteriorating. If you haven't slept for many nights, if you begin to shiver due to anxiety, she watches all, she or he, they watch your health parameters and then will suggest medication. But counseling has absolutely no medication. It's just talk therapy. You talk to me, I talk to you. It's as simple as that. But it goes to talk at a deeper level. कौन सी मूवी चल रही है, वो गाना सुना क्या, अरे let's have a drink, ऐसी वाली बातें नहीं होती है, right? ऐसी वाली बातें हम करेंगे ना, तो फिर I think lifetime we'll have to be best friends in counseling, है ना? So it's a little deeper level, okay? A deeper level of conversation. And I'm a counselor, and I have myself gone for counseling a couple of times because I'm a counselor. I'm not God, no. And because I'm not God, I don't have the answers to everything I go through in life. So sometimes I require a counselor to help me understand why am I facing such a problem. Is it a behavior thing? Why am I not able to manage my anger? Okay, so being a counselor, I also go to a counselor. Just as if a general physician, डॉक्टर को जब सर्दी खांसी होती है तो वो खुद को मेडिकेट कर सकता है, उससे ज्यादा अगर होता है ना, डॉक्टर भी डॉक्टर के पास जाता है, मालूम है आपको?
Yes, of course.
है ना?
Yes.
Doctor also goes to a doctor. Okay, so just because he's a doctor, that doesn't mean he has the solutions to all the problems. So in the same way, not just you, but I also sometimes require counseling, and I go for counseling. Okay. So this was a piece of information that I wanted to share with you, and now I'm going to ask you if you have any questions for me. Do you have any questions for me?
Can we talk to you on the phone? If you
Of course, you can talk to me on the phone. In the COVID times, trust me, I will not tell you to come anywhere.
on the phone,
On the phone, yes.
give me your number.
I will give you my number. Saleh, would you share it with them or should I share it on the chat?
They will share it.
Shalini, the number is there in the flyer that we sent out.
Yes.
Yeah.
Today.
Yes. So
Can
there you
have-
have it.
Friendly and deeply talk with you on the phone.
Yes, you can call me and you can talk with me on the phone. Sorry?
Talking with each other.
Yes.
Yeah, that's better. no?
It is better. Yes, yes. You have to counsel one-on-one only. You cannot counsel in a group. Yes. So you already have, sorry, Saleh?
Shalini, when can you take counseling? What kind of problems can counseling solve?
So counseling can solve any kind of emotional problems. अभी आप ऐसे बोलोगे, पता है कोविड की वजह से मेरे 50 लाख खत्म हो गए हैं, अभी मुझे पैसे चाहिए, तो वैसे वाले प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं होंगे, या मुझे घर खरीदना है, वैसे वाले प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं होंगे सॉल्व. हाँ, तो but if you say that I have lost something, or I feel certain way, or I'm feeling really sad, or I'm feeling really happy and I want to share it with somebody, these kind of things can be talked. Whatever you talk to your friend, that can be talked with a counselor. It just makes you feel better.
So there should be unity. Why the unity is not there among them, among the relationship or friends or whatever? How to make them close to us?
Why is there no unity, or why is there a disconnection in relationships? Why do my children not listen to me? Why does my husband not listen to me? Why does my wife never listen to me? All of these kind of questions.
Brothers and sisters are not uniting with each other, have a conflict.
Uniting, yes.
Conflict is a conflict, right?
So these conflicts that you meet in your day-to-day life, it makes you feel a certain way. Okay, if you want to talk about that feeling, that's when you can go to a counselor. So counselor, that's a part, but counseling also helps you with stress, anxiety, depression, lack of sleep, disorientation, which means you're not able to focus on one thing at a time. You feel pressured, you feel worried, you feel life is coming to an end, or you feel overexcited, life is just beginning. Both ways is extreme, right? Both ways is extreme.
Always an argument.
An argument, yes. You want to find out who is right and who is wrong. Again, you have a counselor there.
Listen to a person.
Sorry?
That if depression comes to a person where we are wrong.
Yes, where you are wrong. Correct. So it helps you find answers. Okay, so don't think so much. Just pick up the phone and call anytime. Yes, there are counseling sessions which are planned and scheduled. But when you pick up the phone, I'll tell you, no, that Shireen ma'am, is it okay if we talk at 5 o'clock in the morning, at 5 o'clock in the evening? Is it okay? Yeah, I saw that expression. Is it okay if we speak at 4 o'clock in the evening? We'll discuss the time and we'll fix that schedule. Right?
After the afternoon siesta, you can talk anytime.
Yes, you can talk anytime. After your night sleep and after your afternoon siesta, you can just pick up the phone. We will discuss, we will fix a time, and then we will have a nice long conversation. Right?
Like a friend talking to a friend.
Yes, like a friend talking to a friend. So, any other question that you want to ask?
Give us a phone number, please.
You
give us a phone number, please.
So you
It's
remember
on
that,
the it's
you
on the
remember
thing
that
that Sally sent.
Yes. So I'll tell Saleh to send the phone number again.
Yeah.
It's already on that. Okay.
Yes. Okay. And so then you will have my number and you can give me a call anytime. Don't worry about it. Just don't call me at 1 o'clock in the night. I'll be sleeping. Then don't say she said to call and she doesn't pick up the phone. Okay, awesome. So it was so nice to see all of you here on the screen again. I hope someday I'm able to see you face to face and meet you in person, and we'll be able to have some fun, singing together. Like I know a lot of you can sing now, so we'll have some fun singing together. Okay, so I and Saleh are here to help. So I'm going to wrap up with a story. Do you like story?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to wrap up and with a story. Okay, a quick story. So once upon a time, you remember how you used to tell your kids stories when they were little?
Once upon a time.
Once upon a time. Yes. Okay, you still do. So once upon a time, there was this little sparrow, you know, the little bird sparrow, who laid her eggs. Saleh, can I request you to mute off all the mics? Except for mine, of course.
Yes.
Okay. So once upon a time, there was this little sparrow that went and laid her eggs on a tree, which was just across the ocean. Okay, it was on the ocean bed. She laid 3 eggs in that nest, one of which rolled off and fell into the ocean. How many of you know the story? Wow, that means I know some story that were never told. Okay. So now the egg rolled into the ocean, and the ocean god, right? There's an ocean god that a lot of people believe in. The ocean god came up and said, very good. For being careless, I'm not going to give that little sparrow her egg back. Now, when the sparrow came back after searching for food, she stood there at the ocean bed and she told the ocean god, hey, you have one of my eggs. Please return it. Give it back to me. Now the ocean god stood there laughing in all his might and said, "You have been careless. I'm not going to give you your egg back." So she said, "Please, I'm sorry for being careless. Please give me my egg back. They are my egg bachas. I want my egg back." Now the ocean god just stood there laughing at her and saying, "Hey, you little soul, I'm not giving you your egg back at all." So the little sparrow said, "Listen, you better give me my egg back or I'm going to drink you up." So the ocean god stood there laughing and saying, "Ha ha ha, you will drink me up. Look at you and look at me. You can't drink me up." So the sparrow said, "Acha, that's what you think?" And she started sipping on the water, one drop at a time. She was sipping on the water, one drop at a time. Now, all of this was being watched by this huge mystical bird that's called the Garuda. How many of you know the Garuda? The Garuda in Hindu mythology is a magical bird and has magical powers. Okay. Now, this huge bird was sitting across far off on the tree and watching all of this happening. Okay. And he sees that this little bird is consistently drinking that water. She's not giving up. She wants her egg back. So he flies with his large wings and comes and sits behind her. Okay. Sits behind her and he stretches off his body, all fully mighty and magical. And he tells the ocean god, "You give that egg back to that little bird or I will dry you up." Now the ocean god was scared and said he didn't want to create a fights between all the gods in heaven. So he just takes the egg and he gives it back to the sparrow. Now, if we were to relate that to our lives today, all of us, you and me, have this big Garuda sitting at the back of us. You know who that is? Do you know who that is? Your kids, people like Saleh, your counselors, your loved ones, all of these people standing at the back of you to protect you, to take care of you, to guide you. Okay, no matter how old you are or no matter how young you've just gotten, you have a lot of these Garudas right behind you. Okay, all you need to do is ask for help. When you ask for help, there will be somebody who will fly by you and help you. Okay, so on that note, thank you so much for spending this time with me. And please do shower your blessings on me. This year has been really hard and I hope for the next year to be better and bright. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, Shalini. It's lovely to have you again. I'm going to again catch you and get you back here soon.
Thank you, Saleh, for the opportunity.
And thank you everybody for listening to Shalini. We'll be back tomorrow at 11 o'clock in the morning for Dr. Prem. We continue the session on eating healthy for seniors. And until then, thank you and have a great weekend. Bye-bye.